Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new episode of Phillip Trading Podcast. My name is Liao, and today I'm with William here. He's a senior dealer in Phillip Futures. How are you doing, William?
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Liao. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, thanks, William. Good to hear that. So recently, Plantation Stocks has been the darling for retail and institutional investor for the past few weeks due to the surge of crude palm oil prices to a historical high of 8,000 ringgit. So can investors still buy into palm oil related stocks after the share price rally? What are the catalysts for the palm oil related stocks? So our topic for today is about the plantation stocks. Is it too late to participate? Okay, so first question for you, William. Can you tell us what is going on in the commodities market, especially the CPO, the crude palm oil market?
Okay, so the main reason for the crude palm oil to really go above the $8,000, 8,000 ringgit metric tons per metric ton last week was due to the shortage of the edible oil globally due to the sanction by the United States, by the European Unions on Russia products. So Ukraine and Russia, they produce more than 50% of the global sunflower oil. So sanction on Russia and also the closure of the port at the Ukraine basically caused the disruption on sunflower oil supply chain. So sunflower oil is a very important edible oil because it dominates 10% of global consumption. Okay, so the buyers of the sunflower oil, they need to find substitute with other edible oils such as palm oil, such as soybean oil, So the main reason for the palm oil to really go up more than 30% in over 1 week since the Ukraine-Russia tension. Okay, this is really the reason because all the buyers are finding substitute and they are looking at palm oil as a substitute to the missing sunflower oil. Okay, so basically the entire world right now is in deficit for edible oil. So this is really why the prices keep going up at the moment.
Yes, indeed. Yes, we have seen a very tight edible oil market in Ukraine recently. Okay, so next question. So can you let us know the recent performance of palm oil related stocks, and also how is it different from the situation back in 2021 during the CPO, the crude palm oil rally back then?
Okay, so most of the fundamentally well plantation stocks in general in Busan, Malaysia have actually gone up by at least 15 to 30% in the past 2 weeks, some even more than 30%. Okay, so I think your question here is that why plantation stocks doesn't really back in 2001, 2021 when palm oil prices is like at 6,000 ringgit. Okay, it's at historical high, but the palm oil stocks is not moving. But right now, the palm oil prices is at 8,000, but the palm oil stocks is like shooting up all of a sudden. Okay, I think the main reason back in 2021 is that although the palm oil prices is very high, but there isn't a very serious shortage yet. There is no shortage. The inventory is very low, palm oil prices is very high, but there is no shortage. Okay, and also this is one of the reasons. But right now we are seeing a deficit kind of scenario. So everything is like palm oil, the edible oil is basically more expensive than gold at the moment. It's like gold, which is why the palm oil related stocks was suddenly in the spotlight. Okay, this is one of the reasons. So another reason is that back in 2021, although the prices is really high, okay, but the palm oil plantation companies, they are not actually reporting very strong earnings yet. So the investors are not seeing the strong earnings back in 2021. Okay, because my guess would be that because all these companies, some of the companies, I won't say all, some of the companies, they sell their palm oil on a contract basis. So they lock their prices probably back in 2020 or early 2021. So when prices was really high at the end of 2021, they are not able to take advantage of it because they locked their prices back early at the end of 2020 or at early in Q1, Q2 of 2021. So they are not able to take full advantage of it. But right now in 2022, basically all the low prices, right? Contract prices has expired, so they are locking in at a brand new prices which is at historical high right now since Q4 last year, 2021. So basically that explains why suddenly, all of a sudden, basically I would say 80% of the palm oil companies has been releasing super strong um, earnings, and also some of them are announcing very good dividend payout. It's like 50% increase compared to the past. So basically that is the reason why we are seeing the prices rally right now and not last year. Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see. So no wonder the plantation stocks last year were not performing back in 2021. Okay.
Yeah.
So so as the stocks market might have already priced in the rally in the crude palm oil price, is it too late for investor or trader to buy into the crude palm oil related stocks right now?
Okay, so like I said earlier that the palm oil prices they have moved at least 20 to 30% in the past 2 to 3 weeks, and some of them even more than 30%. So basically, definitely the pricing has been factored in, but in my own opinion, I think probably it's not that late yet to participate. In my own opinion, it's not that late yet, because palm oil companies, like I said, they are actually reporting historical new high earnings at the moment. Okay, and historical new high dividend payout at the moment, a lot of them. Okay, but certain companies, if you search them carefully, the prices is actually still below 2015 to 2019 level. Okay, the prices is still below that. And back in 2015 to 2019, palm oil is only at 2,000 to 3,000 ringgit per metric tons. So at this point of time, the prices is like 8,000, 7,000, 8,000 is like 3 times or 2.5 times higher back in 2015 to 2019. But the share prices is not higher than that yet. So if you go and search these kind of companies, I don't think you will be paying too much. Although the prices has rebounded quite a fair bit from the low, but I don't think you are overpaying yet. The value is still there. Okay, so as long as you go and search them, I think there is safety net for you to participate. There are some of them have not gone above yet. Okay, and on top of that, like I have shared previously, I'm expecting all these companies to really pay out good dividend this year, and even have the possibility to have bonus issue. So all these are quite bullish for the entire sector.
Okay. Yeah, so for traders or investors, so don't miss out the opportunities yet to participate in the plantation stock during this period. Okay. So last question for you, William. So if it's not too late to participate, so how can traders or investors to take the opportunities in the rally of crude palm oil and palm oil related stocks in Malaysia?
Okay, so if traders are interested to trade the palm oil related stocks at Phillip Futures, we actually do offer some of the very good fundamental plantation stocks, okay, through our CFD, companies like KLK, IOI, Sime Plantation, Sarawak Oil Palm. All these are very good plantation stocks, okay. So you are able to trade them at a very good margin of 10 to 20% of the share price. You just need to pay 10 to 20% of the share price, and you are able to participate them. So if you want to know if you want our advice on how you can plan your entry and exit on all these plantation stocks to ride the very strong uptrend of the CPO, okay, and which stocks to select in order for you to have a very good risk to reward, yeah, you can try to talk to us to find out.
All right. Okay. Thank you, William, for sharing what is going on during this turbulence time in the market, whether it's stocks markets or commodities markets. Now, I do hope our audience will take a look and also take opportunities in the market during this period. And so as mentioned by William, you can trade CFD with Phillip Futures at an attractive margin, which can give you leverage for you to take part in the CPO related stocks. Okay, so before we finish off our podcast today, I would like to announce that starting this month, in March up till 31st May, Phillip Futures is having this promotion called Awesome Rewards, where our new clients who opens a futures account with us can be rewarded with Food Panda voucher. And if you start trading, you can also get cash rewards up to 400 ringgit for trading the Kuala Lumpur Index Futures and the FM70 Index Futures, as well as the crude palm oil futures and the East Malaysia crude palm oil futures. So the FCPO and the FEPO. So you can take part in individual stocks by using CFD, as well as taking part in the futures market and trade the index futures, in addition to participating directly in the commodity itself by using FCPO and FEPO. So with Phillip Futures, it gives you the exposure to both markets. Okay. So for more information, you can visit our website, or you can also drop us a message on social media, and we will be in touch with you for more details. So if you wish to take part in the market, this is a good time for you to trade with Phillip Futures, right? So we have come to an end on our podcast today. Once again, thank you, William, for the sharing today. Happy trading, everyone. See you guys next round. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.